Hi, today we're going to repurpose pallets into a deluxe duck house. 4 hands are better than 2 for this stage. As my helper holds them in place, I can screw in the corner braces. This will enhance the stability and the strength of the house. Next, slide on the floor so it rests on the bottom plinth above the ground. I added an extra pallet to fit the size of the house. Then I screwed in lengths of wood to the floor section to fill in the gaps. Even ducks like to know what's happening outside. For the doorway, I cut out 2 small lengths of wood from the 3rd and 4th boards from the bottom. After cladding the gaps, we prepared the ramp. For the rungs, we nailed on thin half-round moldings at equal spaces. Then it was time to put the bedding of straw down. I fluffed it out to make it nice and comfy for my feathered friends. The next job at hand was to prepare the roof. I used the jigsaw to cut diagonally through a sheet of plywood for the 2 eaves. Then, screwed in a joist as a bridge to support the roof and attached the roof to the house. Next was the fun part, painting. I settled on lilac for the color as it symbolizes affection, perfect for my ducklings. I used acrylic exterior paint as it's ideal for outdoor surfaces, as it can endure temperature fluctuations. Then it was time to attach the felt. We'd already measured and cut the felt to size. It was just a case of stapling them to the roof decking. For added insulation, we stapled a covering of bamboo fence over the roof. Using bamboo is an effective and eco-friendly alternative that's also sustainable. Plus, it gives a thatched cottage feel to it. We all know ducks love water. But did you know they actually need water, and not only for drinking, but to keep their eyes, bills, feet, and feathers in good condition? The water should be deep enough for them to stick their whole head into and wash their body. After digging the hole, we put in a small pond liner. A perfect little swimming pool for them. Next, we screwed in lengths together to assemble the fenced area. Then, attach sturdy wire fencing by using heavy-duty staples. It's especially important to use small hold wire mesh to prevent predators. Once stapled, we attach the fence panels to the house, front and back. We screwed hinges onto one sectional panel so that the opening would be large enough when cleaning them out. I thought these ornamental lilies would be a great added feature. So here we have it, our newly built duck house. Time to let them check it out. I'll leave them alone so that they can get a chance to settle in. When designing the house, we took different factors into account. The need for shelter from the weather, ventilation, warmth, and security. Looks like we've got a queue forming to get into the house. Ha! Using straw for the bedding is not only inexpensive, but ducks love to dig through it for grain and tidbits. I'd say they look happy, wouldn't you? As my ducks grow, I'll open up the gated panel to allow them to roam further afield. They're very easy to round up because ducks have a tendency to stick together. A note to remember when rearing ducklings is to ensure they have a well-balanced diet. Ducks need niacin, which supports their skeletal development. Check out your local feed store and see what they have available. And don't forget to add veggies and fruit too. Well, they all seem happy. See you next time.